Right now, some small YouTube channels are quietly pulling in millions of views. And the crazy part? Their videos look like this. A simple talking skeleton explaining things. No face, no camera, no expensive setup. Just a skeleton. And the internet is loving it. These short educational clips are spreading across YouTube Shorts like wildfire, and even brand new channels are going viral overnight with them. So the real question is, how are people actually making these videos? And more importantly, how can you start making them today? So let's break down how these viral skeleton videos are actually made. The first thing you need is an idea, something simple, educational, and curiosity-driven. For example, what happens if you take protein powder for 30 days? Once you have your idea, head over to ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, open the section called Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type Skeleton Shorts and open the tool. This tool is basically your content generator. Instead of writing prompts yourself, it instantly turns your idea into AI image prompts designed for skeleton-style videos. Now type your topic into the chat. Within seconds, it will generate multiple detailed prompts describing different scenes for your video. Each prompt represents a small moment in your story. Pick the first prompt and copy it. Now we move to the next stage, turning those prompts into visuals. After getting the image prompts, simply go to this website called Google Whisk AI, which is perfect for image generation. The amazing part is that you can create unlimited images with this tool without any watermark. Now, after this, sign in with your Gmail, and you will see an interface like this. The amazing part of this tool is that you can upload a character here that you want to use consistently without any changes. You can also upload your scene and style here to keep the pictures consistent. Now paste the prompts of the image that you want to use consistently and upload them here in the character section. And now the real magic starts. Upload your prompts here and checkmark the character you want to keep consistent in every picture. Simply generate all the images using this strategy and download them one by one. For video generation, I'm using this tool called Grok AI. This is an absolutely free tool for converting images into video, and the best part is that you can create multiple shorts for your YouTube using this strategy. Now, for converting images into video, we would need prompts that help us give proper instructions about how our video should look. So for this, simply go to ChatGPT and paste all the image prompts you just created. Then write, I want to convert these images into video using Grok AI, so give me video prompts for this. Then press Enter. ChatGPT will generate video prompts for Grok. Now upload your images into Grok, select the video option, and paste the video prompt accordingly. Do the same process for the remaining images and download them one by one. And now our video generation step is completed. For voiceover, I'm going to use 11 Labs, which is an absolutely amazing text-to-speech tool for human-like voice that creates authority and feels comfortable, not robotic. Remember, YouTube promotes human voice tones, not robotic voiceovers, and this tool is one of the best for that. Now choose the voice character you feel comfortable with, paste the script you generated, and press Enter. This tool will give you 10,000 character quota per month for free, and you can generate multiple voiceovers using this tool. For final editing, I would recommend CapCut. This is a simple, smooth, and free video editing software that everyone can use. Now import all the videos that you just created using Grok AI, along with the voiceover you created with the help of 11 Labs, and place them on the timeline. Now adjust all the video clips according to the voiceover and apply mix and match transitions. You can also try different effects if you want. For the auto captions, click on the auto captions icon, select your language, and hit Generate. It will automatically generate captions according to the voiceover. You can also give the captions a specific style. Go to Templates and choose one you like. Now export the video to your gallery. And just like that, your video is ready to be published. And that's it. That's exactly how these viral skeleton videos are being created. With just a few free tools and a simple strategy, you can start creating multiple YouTube Shorts every single day. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more strategies like this to grow on YouTube, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments what type of content you want to learn next. I'll see you in the next one.